right, you can't see my face, which is totally fine. I'm gonna do a rip clip here of how to install a wheel bearing. I used to do 2-minute rip clips. Let's see how long this takes us. Impact, 17 mil. I'm gonna get my sockets off. Sorry for the loud noises. There's the wheel. Front wheel bearing is the goal here. I gotta switch to a 19. I have 3-inch spacers because I run B-knuckle. Spacer off. 19 mil on the back side of these bad boys. If I had my car jacked up a little bit higher, I could spin the wheel. Wheels in the air. Make sure you guys still have decent position to see. So yeah, the back of this caliper has 19 mils, just 2 of them. Rip out pretty easy. Caliper is off. Attempt to set it somewhere safe. Rotor off. Big old fat knuckle set. Can never remember what size it is. Oh my goodness. Too big, of course. Harbor Freight John. That is off. There is a washer in here that you want to make sure you get. This bad boy, if you don't have that washer, your life is going to suck. You're going to think you instantly have a blown wheel bearing or a bad ball joint or who knows what. This bag has 10 pounds of grease inside of it. So I am ripping it open. There's our nice shiny new wheel bearing. Slides on. Dirty hands. The lines in the washer line up. Come on. There we go. Nut back on. Zip it down. And you put it back together. Rotor on, caliper on, wheel spacer on, wheel on. Front wheel bearing, S14. All right, I got no time of recording because I need to format my memory card, so I'm gonna talk fast. I did the front wheel bearings both sides on the car. What you do is 17 mil lug nuts for me, pull those off, pull the wheel off. 19 mils, I pull my big spacer off. 2 19 mils on the caliper, pull the caliper off. Rotor slides off, take your big socket, Harbor Freight kit, whatever it is, take off that axle nut, pull that bad boy off, slide off your wheel bearing, and then it's just reverse. Slide on wheel bearing, put on axle nut, make sure you have the washer in there. The washer is very important. Put on the axle nut, slide on your rotor, put your caliper on, 2 19s in the back, that's done. Big wheel spacer, wheel, lug nuts, torque it, no grinds. I need to format my memory card and we'll see where the rest of today takes us.